Today we are going to learn about mastering CDN for low latency delivery. This video will teach you how to optimize CDNs for reducing latency, enabling you to configure and fine-tune CDNs effectively.
Welcome to the video on mastering CDN for low latency delivery. Content delivery networks, or CDNs, are a crucial part of the internet infrastructure, designed to deliver content efficiently. With the surge in global digital content consumption, CDNs play an essential role in reducing latency, ensuring users get fast access to data. In this session, we will explore how CDNs work, their importance, and the strategies to optimize them for minimal latency. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills to configure and fine-tune CDNs effectively.
To master CDN optimization, it's crucial to first understand what a CDN is. A CDN is a network of servers distributed globally to deliver content from the nearest server to the user, reducing the time it takes for data to travel. CDNs cache content like web pages, videos, and images, thereby reducing the load on the origin server and improving user experience. Core components include edge servers, origin servers, and a control node that manages data flow. CDNs are designed to support various types of content, including static, dynamic, and streaming media. Understanding this architecture is foundational for optimizing CDN performance. Latency, the delay before a transfer of data begins following an instruction, is critical in content delivery. CDNs reduce latency by serving content from the closest edge server to the user. The physical distance between the user and the server greatly impacts latency. Thus, a well-distributed CDN network minimizes this distance. Caching content closer to the user means fewer data transfer hops and lower latency. Additionally, network optimization techniques such as routing and data compression play vital roles. By understanding these latency factors, you can better configure your CDN for optimal performance.
Selecting the right CDN provider is a pivotal decision. Begin by evaluating providers based on their network reach, as a larger network generally means better performance. Consider key features such as caching options, support for SSL, and real-time analytics. Balance cost against performance. Higher costs often translate to better service, but ensure it fits your budget. Network reach is critical. Ensure the provider covers key regions where your users are located. Don't overlook security features like DDoS protection and the quality of customer support, as these can significantly impact your CDN's effectiveness. Once you've chosen a CDN provider, configuring your edge servers is the next step. Proper setup involves configuring load balancing to distribute traffic evenly across servers, preventing any single server from becoming overwhelmed. Geographic distribution is crucial. Ensure servers are strategically placed in regions with high user density. Traffic management practices, such as prioritizing certain types of data, help maintain performance during peak times. Additionally, capacity planning ensures that servers have adequate resources to handle expected traffic, preventing bottlenecks and latency spikes. Caching is a fundamental component of CDNs that directly impacts latency. By caching content at the edge, you minimize the distance data must travel, speeding up delivery. Implement different types of caching, such as browser caching and edge caching, to optimize performance. TTL, time to live, settings determine how long content stays in cache, balancing freshness with speed. A high cache hit ratio, meaning most requests are served from the cache, is a key performance indicator. Content invalidation strategies ensure outdated content is refreshed, maintaining data accuracy and performance.
Data compression is an effective way to reduce latency as it decreases the amount of data transferred between the server and the user. Gzip and Brotli are two widely used compression algorithms. Gzip is more universally supported, while Brotli offers better compression rates, especially for text files. Adjusting compression levels can further optimize performance, balancing speed with resource use. Ensure that your user's browsers support the chosen compression method, as this affects compatibility. By reducing bandwidth usage, compression not only enhances speed but also lowers operational costs. Monitoring your CDN's performance in real time is critical to maintaining low latency. Key performance metrics include availability, latency, and cache hit ratios. Use tools and platforms like New Relic, Datadog, or proprietary dashboards offered by CDN providers to track these metrics. Implement alert systems that notify you of performance issues, allowing for swift action. Real-time data provides insights for continuous optimization, ensuring your CDN operates at peak efficiency. By regularly reviewing performance data, you can make informed decisions to enhance content delivery. Inevitably, you'll encounter latency issues when managing a CDN. Start by identifying the symptoms: slow load times or inconsistent performance. Common causes include server congestion, misconfiguration, or network outages. Diagnostic tools like traceroute and ping help pinpoint issues within the network. Resolution techniques include redistributing traffic, adjusting server settings, or updating DNS configurations. Implement preventive measures such as regular audits and updates to reduce the likelihood of future problems. Understanding and addressing these challenges is essential for maintaining an efficient CDN.
For those looking to take their CDN performance to the next level, advanced optimization techniques are key. Implementing advanced caching policies, such as cache busting and personalized caching, can optimize delivery for frequent users. Dynamic content acceleration techniques, like prefetching and lazy loading, enhance performance for interactive content. Utilize modern protocols like HTTP/2 and QUIC for faster data transfer. Server-side optimization, including database tuning and script optimization, reduces processing time. Finally, integrating your CDN with cloud services can provide scalability and flexibility, ensuring your CDN meets growing demand. Security is an integral aspect of CDN management. DDoS attacks can overwhelm servers, so ensure your CDN includes robust protection measures. SSL/TLS encryption is vital for securing data transfers, protecting user privacy and data integrity. Implement access control measures to restrict unauthorized access to your CDN resources. Regular security audits help identify vulnerabilities and ensure compliance with data protection regulations. By prioritizing security, you not only protect your infrastructure but also build trust with your users, which is essential for any successful online service. As technology evolves, so does the role of CDNs. Edge computing is an emerging trend, bringing computation closer to the data source and further reducing latency. The rollout of 5G networks will enhance CDN performance, supporting faster speeds and greater data loads. AI and machine learning are increasingly used to predict traffic patterns and optimize delivery routes. Serverless CDNs offer flexibility, automatically scaling resources based on demand. As consumer expectations for fast, reliable content continue to rise, understanding these trends will help you stay ahead in the competitive landscape of content delivery. In conclusion, mastering CDN for low latency delivery involves a combination of strategic planning and technical expertise. We've covered a range of topics from understanding the basics of CDNs to implementing advanced optimization techniques. Remember, CDN optimization is an ongoing process that requires continuous learning and adaptation to new technologies and trends. Use the techniques discussed in this video to enhance your CDN's performance, and stay informed about industry developments to maintain your competitive edge. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you success in your CDN optimization journey.